Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to active the summer pass in Royal Match for 2025, and trust me, it is working. So let's get started. First off, what exactly is the Royal Pass? It's a time limited feature that runs for a month with 30 steps in total. Every month you get new challenges, and with each challenge you unlock rewards. These rewards can be either free or special rewards, and you'll be collecting keys to unlock them. Now, how do you get keys? Easy. You collect them by beating levels. You can earn even more keys by completing hard and super hard levels. There are two types of rewards you should know about: free rewards and special rewards. Free rewards are available to everyone, but to get those sweet special rewards, you'll need to activate the Royal Pass. By activating the Royal Pass, you get some awesome benefits. Your maximum lives increases from 5 to 8. Your profile picture frame and name will turn gold, make you stand out. Plus, you'll even be able to send gifts to your teammates. And here's a major bonus. Once you complete all the event stages, you'll unlock all bonus bank. The bonus bank lets you save 100 coins for every 10 keys you collect. And you can store up to 5,000 coins. Pretty sweet, right? Now, here's how you can activate it. First, you need to reach level 37. Once you hit level 37, you'll be able to purchase the Royal Plus to unlock those special rewards and bonuses. But keep in mind, the activated Royal Pass is only valid for the month. So once the new month begins, all the special bonuses will be gone. But don't worry, if you have not claimed your reward before the month ends, they will automatically be added to your inventory. And that is it. Now you exactly know how to activate the Summer Pass in Royal Match for 2025 and make the most out of it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next one.